we've finished generating the PayPal subscription form code. So the next thing we need to do is to create a sales page where we're going to plug in the code we have generated. So once again, we're going to open the HTML editor and new tab. So for demo purposes, we're going to say get resource rights ebooks monthly. Then what we're going to do is, if you have finished setting up your sales page, then we can paste in the PayPal subscription form code on this area. What we're going to do is go back to the PayPal site and let's copy the subscription form code, the encrypted code. And once you're in the HTML editor, go to HTML tags, or I mean the source tab. So you can determine the space where you're going to plug in any codes by temporarily putting some break lines here. So let's put the PayPal subscription form code here. So since this is encrypted and the visitor cannot see whether or cannot determine where is the successful payment URL, so that's encrypted. We're going back to, let's put the code in the center, the button. So you can determine the form set by using this, by looking on this opening tag, which is the form it says here, and then the closing form tag. So let's close the center tag here. Oh, there it is. So this is the subscribe button. We're going to save this as the sales page. And earlier we have named it salespage.htm. So we're going to copy that one here. So Control C and paste it in our on the here for the file name. So it will be saved on the desktop. So it's now let's save. Let's test this if it works fine, if it works correctly. So what I'm going to do is open this Smart FTP software. And let's upload the sales page to the directory. Now it's uploaded. Let's test it on our browser. So our sales page is located on this URL. So copy that sales page URL there. Enter. So we have here the sales page. So this is where the first page your buyers will see, the sales page of course. And if your buyers decide to subscribe or buy an item, they have to click on that button. They'll be led to the PayPal page. So as said earlier, the name of the subscription is monthly resale rights, and that's $2 every month. And you see here the amount also. So if ever your members would, if ever a visitor decided to buy or subscribe to your site, then they have to enter their email and then password here to be able to access the membership site details, and they'll be able to have access also to your membership site. On our next video, we're going to cover on testing the order process to see if everything is set correctly.